Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling pinning so the feature exists. Open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and locate Screen Pinning or Pin Windows. Turn it on now, and when prompted set a PIN, pattern, or enable biometrics. This prevents accidental unpinning. Once done, make sure the toggle for requiring authentication to unpin is set to your preference so no one can escape the pinned app without verification. This protects your device and data while the screen is locked to one app. With pinning enabled, open the app you want to lock to the screen and bring it to the foreground. Next, tap the Overview or Recents button, locate the app card, then tap the app icon or menu and choose Pin or Pin this app. Confirm the prompt that explains how to exit the pin state. Some phones require pressing back and overview together, others need authentication. Once pinned, the system restricts navigation, so the device stays in that app until you deliberately unpin it. To finish, unpin the app exactly as the prompt showed. Usually hold back plus overview, or enter your PIN or biometric to release. Do that only when you're ready. If pinning doesn't engage, reboot the device, re-enable the feature in Settings, and update the app or OS. Often a pending update blocks permission changes. If you need longer control, consider guest mode or lock task mode. Test the workflow quickly, so you can hand the device over confident it stays on the intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.